Tonight, the weather's also impacting operations at San Diego International Airport. We've seen hundreds of flight delays today and some cancellations. We may see more tomorrow morning. CBS 8's Steffi Roche joins us live from the airport. Steffi, what are you seeing out there tonight?
Well, I've been monitoring the boards out here and also FlightAware.com. At the peak, we saw 246 delays and 3 cancellations. And earlier this evening, I spoke with travelers who were caught up in the delays. Back in 1972, Albert Hammond famously taught the world that it never rains in Southern California. Well, anyone at San Diego International Airport on Monday would tell him that's a big load of. The gusty winds and heavy rain prompted the significant flight delays.
My flight was delayed 2 hours, and I had a connecting flight to Argentina, and I wasn't going to make it, so it got rescheduled for tomorrow.
I caught up with Byron Hall and Mila Murphy a little after 6:30. They flew in from Phoenix on Alaska Airlines and were delayed about an hour. They're trying to make it to Highland in San Bernardino County for a Jeffrey Osborne concert.
And we were supposed to be here at 4:47, and we're just getting there now, and now we're going to drive all the way up to Highland. Yeah, we're going to miss about 30-40 minutes of the concert.
In addition to the significant delays, to make matters more complicated, workers with TSA clocked in without pay Monday as a partial government shutdown hit its 3rd day. Joanna Lemos's flight to Utah was delayed tonight, but it's not all doom and gloom.
The thing is, it worked out really well for us. Like, our flight previously it was already delayed, so then we were not gonna make it on time for this one. So it worked out great for us. Like, I know it's not the case for everyone, but it is a good case for us.
To track cancellations and delays, you can visit the San Diego International Airport's website, use FlightAware, or you can download the app for your specific airline to get those updates in real time about your flight and whether they're canceled or delayed. But for now, reporting live from the San Diego International Airport, I'm Steffi Roche, News 8.